Good morning, I'm Tony Barbagallo, VP of Product at Caringo, and welcome to our booth here at Supercomputing 16 in Salt Lake City, Utah. So we're at Supercomputing to promote Caringo Swarm, which is our software-defined object storage. Essentially, we do scale-out storage, limitless pool of storage that is an excellent second tier for scratch space, for SSD-based storage for HPC. We also provide an excellent ability to actually search all of the HPC data that resides on Caringo Swarm. So one of our customers is a national laboratory, and they're using Caringo Swarm specifically for those general purpose benefits that I had mentioned, but basically to charge back their data scientists for individual grants, the actual storage that they're using, as well as using that storage as a scratch space for some of their high performance computing, and even replacing some of their existing network attached storage devices with scale out object storage for some of the applications that they're working on. Some of the trends we see in the HPC space, and this is still a very nascent trend, but I think organizations are just now starting to leverage the power of metadata. So metadata is the data about the data, and that leverage that they're working on is about organizing their data, searching their data at scale, and being able to better categorize that data, especially when we talk about petabytes of information. What sets us apart from other cloud and object storage vendors is a couple of different things. Number one, we are very easy, probably the easiest object storage vendor on the market to be able to expand storage capacity. Literally, you take a x86-based server out of the box, rack it, hook it up to the network, turn it on, and you now have extra storage capacity and extra compute capacity into your scale-out storage environment. In addition, we have a capability called Darchive, which actually spins down chassis and hard drives. So another customer example that we have is an organization that has completely replaced their tape-based library with Caringo Swarm and hard drives, and actually have come up with a much more economical solution than their original tape-based library to store all of their archival data from HPC type acquisitions and analysis.
What Caringo brings to the HPC world is a platform for not only storing your data, but organizing your data at scale and providing access to your data in many different ways. We have old legacy systems that are based on NFS, and we have new systems that are based on RESTful protocols like S3 or HTTP. And the need to be able to access your data through multiple protocols is important. It's also important that you're able to share that data through a single namespace. And Caringo provides the ability for you to read and write through any of multiple protocols, all in the same namespace, as well as within a multi-tenanted cloud environment. And we do this by providing a base storage platform that is highly available, runs on any commodity hardware, has built-in metadata and search capabilities. These built-in metadata and search capabilities allow you to build applications without databases anymore, to manage your data sets based on their contents and their characteristics, rather than having to put them in a hierarchical file system and organize them that way. So now you can take your storage and make it work for you. Storage that's smart, storage that helps you organize your data and manage your data at scale. Thank you for stopping by our booth at SC16. I appreciate you taking the time to come and visit us, and I look forward to seeing you next year.